Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OHRP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Now, before I do anything else, what I'm going to do is move over the chart here because I realize this is very, very hard to see, but that's because of that gap down. So by moving it over here, though, it makes things just easier to see. So that's why I now have it moved all over here. You have all this white space right here. It's just simply for formatting issues. So anyways, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Well, instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, essentially summarizes today's price action. So if you were to say, Clay, look, summarize today's price action for me quickly, I would say a pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of this company's being run out of some North Korean bunker or anything like that. I don't know anything about the company. I'm making that statement based solely on the price action today. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes right back to where it all started. So let's first just establish real quick, where did all this start? And to me, it started when the price essentially broke out of the late day range that was really struggling, with yesterday. And that level was right here around, 39 cents, give or take. And let's go through the definition now. Price makes a really nice move. Well, as we just established, price started there, went all the way up there. I'm hoping we can all agree that that was a really nice move in a very short amount of time. Second part of definition, within a relatively short amount of time. On top of that is, well, considering this all is happening within the same day, I'm assuming we can again agree, okay, yeah, all this is happening within a short amount of time. Not only was the price spike happening in a very short amount of time, but even this pullback here happened within a relatively short amount of time because it all happened in the same day once again. So where did this pullback go? Again, where did I say it started, that green line? Well, now it's sitting literally below that green line. So the price made an awesome move, and then within the same day is now, if you want to argue and just say, well, it's right back to where it started, fine. That's not really making any sort of any other point. That's still proving my point. I mean, if today's early day action had any sort of genuine power behind it, I'm not saying that the price needs to, still be up above 48 cents, 46 cents, but I mean, to have the price go all the way back here to where it started, I'm assuming I'm kind of insulting your intelligence when I say price movements with true power make progress forward. They don't go back to where they were, and that's exactly what happened here. The big move happened, and then all of a sudden, by the time the closing bell rolled around, the price is now back to where it was. Am I saying the price can never, ever make another good move again? I'm not saying that. So another way you could classify this is kind of back to the drawing board for the bulls. Who knows? Maybe tomorrow they'll put together a whole new upwards move. But as far as the upward move that happened this morning, yeah, there is just no power behind it. It was a total pump. The dump happened, and now the price is right back to where it all started. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.